Have you ever wondered how hackers infect computers, or why some devices suddenly become slow, locked, or start behaving strangely? In many cases, the reason is malware. Today, we'll understand what malware is, how it works, and how you can protect yourself from it. What is malware? Malware is short for malicious software. It refers to any software designed to harm, damage, spy on, or gain unauthorized access to a device. Malware can infect computers, smartphones, tablets, servers, networks. Cyber criminals use malware for many different purposes. How malware gets into devices. Malware doesn't usually appear on a device by itself. It often enters through phishing emails, fake downloads, malicious websites, infected USB drives, fake software updates. Sometimes users install malware without realizing it. What happens after infection? Once malware enters a device, it may steal information, spy on activity, delete files, lock data, slow down the system, give hackers remote access. The effects depend on the type of malware. Types of malware. There are several types of malware. Let's look at the most common ones. Virus. A virus attaches itself to files or programs. When the infected file runs, the virus spreads. Viruses may corrupt files, slow systems, cause crashes, just like biological viruses. Computer viruses spread from one system to another. Worm. A worm is different from a virus. It can spread automatically across networks without user interaction. Worms can infect many computers very quickly. Because of this, they can cause major network damage. Trojan horse. A Trojan disguises itself as legitimate software. The name comes from the famous Trojan horse story. It looks harmless, but once installed, it may steal data, install other malware, give attackers access. Spyware. Spyware secretly monitors users. It may collect passwords, browsing history, personal information, banking details. The user often doesn't know it is running. Adware. Adware displays unwanted advertisements. It may open pop-up ads, redirect browsers, track user behavior. Although often less dangerous, it can still be annoying and harmful. Ransomware. Ransomware is one of the most dangerous forms of malware. It encrypts files and locks access to them. The attacker then demands money, known as a ransom. Victims may lose important data if they cannot recover their files. Keylogger. A keylogger records everything typed on a keyboard. This may include passwords, credit card numbers, messages. Attackers use keyloggers to steal sensitive information. Botnets. Some malware turns devices into bots. A collection of infected devices is called a botnet. Hackers can remotely control these devices and use them for attacks. Many users don't even know their device is part of a botnet. Signs of malware infection. Common warning signs include slow performance, frequent crashes, strange pop-ups, unknown programs, high internet usage, missing files. If you notice these signs, your device may be infected. How malware spreads. Malware spreads through email attachments, fake apps, pirated software, malicious links, infected websites. Cyber criminals constantly create new methods to distribute malware. How to protect yourself. You can reduce the risk by following these steps. Keep software updated. Use antivirus software. Avoid suspicious downloads. Don't click unknown links. Enable two-factor authentication. Backup important files regularly. Why updates are important. Software updates often contain security fixes. When vulnerabilities are discovered, developers release patches. Keeping systems updated helps block malware attacks. Malware and cybersecurity. Malware is one of the biggest threats in cybersecurity. Individuals, businesses, schools, and governments all face malware risks. That is why cybersecurity professionals work constantly to detect and prevent malware attacks. Can antivirus stop all malware? Antivirus software helps detect many threats. However, no antivirus is perfect. New malware appears every day. Good security habits are just as important as security software. The future of malware. As technology evolves, malware becomes more advanced. Some modern malware uses artificial intelligence, automation, advanced evasion techniques. Cybersecurity continues to evolve to fight these threats. Now you understand what malware is and why it is dangerous. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte and tell me in the comments, which type of malware do you think is the most dangerous?